CompactGTL is a UK company which is developing a new technology for the oil industry to solve the problem of associated gas. Associated gas is the gas that comes out of the crude stream when oil is first produced. Traditionally, that gas, where there is no market, has been flared or has been reinjected into reservoirs. What we are doing is converting that gas into synthetic crude oil so it can be saved, captured and more usefully used and help to abolish flaring.
The CompactGTL technology is based upon two main process reaction stages. The first stage comprises steam methane reforming, which converts methane to synthesis gas in a high temperature reactor. The synthesis gas, which is made up of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, is then processed in a Fischer-Tropsch reactor at medium pressure and temperature to provide our synthetic crude product.
The robustness of our process needs to be demonstrated for commercial plants, and the way we go about it is we normally start up the plant and then deliberately trip the facilities. By doing so, you basically initiate the emergency shutdown of the plant. You monitor the performance of the catalyst and reactor, and you also monitor the control systems of the plant.
Reactors are at the heart of our process, and the technology is based on plate-fin heat exchangers with catalysts inserted within the heat transfer channels. We worked with a number of suppliers to assess the design and manufacturing capabilities, and then tested a number of reactors in our UK pilot plant facility at Wilton. Sumitomo Precision Products, or SPP, demonstrated their pedigree in producing reactors in the materials we required for our operating conditions. This resulted in us signing a commercial supply agreement with them earlier this year for the exclusive supply of reactors for our technology.
Sumitomo Precision Products, located in Osaka, Japan, was established in 1961. Since then, we have manufactured and supplied aluminum plate-fin heat exchanger for all over the world. Our task is to supply a good reactors to CompactGTL. Good means a high reliability and a reasonable cost. It is our first challenge to manufacture a large-scale stainless steel plate-fin reactors, and it must be a precise one. It is necessary for us to solve many issues, but I'm sure that our activity must connect to a realization of CompactGTL process.
CompactGTL has developed modular GTL concept, and although GTL has been around for many years in big commercial units, the novelty of our process is that we have a modular concept, and we also increase the overall efficiency of our catalysts within the reactors.
CompactGTL's achievements over the last 5 years have been quite substantial and quite dramatic. We've taken technology, or an idea for technology, from a lab scale testing through a demonstration plant in Wilton, which actually showed the world that the technology worked on a unified basis, to a commercial development plant in Brazil, which again is a clear indication that technology is ready to roll out to the commercial world. We've also been able to modularize the whole process, and what is a very complex scientific approach. And this again allows us to expand on the process in the future. We have also built a supply chain to ensure that we can develop the technology, we can deliver the technology to the appropriate standards. But probably most importantly, we put together a group of people from all disciplines, whether it be GTL disciplines, engineering, science disciplines, business development, to allow the company to develop and to deliver the product to the industry.
With our exclusive arrangement with Sumitomo Precision Products, we look forward to expanding our teams and working closer together in the future as we develop the commercial scale reactors and start the manufacturing process for those. We look forward to our shared vision of CompactGTL and SPP reactors operating in GTL plants throughout the world.
CompactGTL is actually doing a lot of strategies to ensure it stays where it is, which is in the top of the market, leading the market. Clearly we have to spend a lot of time, effort, money on continuing the development of the technology to improve its efficiency and to ensure that it delivers to its client base what the client base actually needs. We're also looking at a number of ways to drive down the costs, working with the manufacturers to reduce the costs again to our customer base. Importantly, that we continue to develop the technology on its modularization so we can actually put it onto rail cars or trucks, which opens up a lot of markets, especially the former Soviet Union. But basically the idea is to keep the company in the front, drive the company forward, keep it in the front and deliver to our customer base what our customer base clearly says they need.